Hello, welcome brothers and sisters to my channel Faisal Azib. I hope that you are well. Today I will try to make full example with class employee to show you how to use the predicate and also how to use this joining between predicate. So I will create class employee that contains four attributes: the name, the city, the salary, and the job name. I will create a constructor. After this, I will also redefine or override the method toString to display the salary the employee information. Okay? So, as you can see, I have used here in toString, I have used string.format to format very well the string. You can see the Java doc about this method format. And I have used also percentage dot toF. Okay, what it means for the salary attribute, it is float. I just want to display 2 digits after the point. Okay, after this is my point. Just a simple trick. All this information you can find them in Java doc, no problem. So after this, I will create another class that contains the main method, and in this main method I will create method, for example, print employee. Print employees. I will give him 2 attributes, predicate, and also a list of employees. Okay, just to display different employees that respect the predicate. So what I will put here for employee to point of list, if p.test, if they respect the predicate, it's good, I make system.println of employee, just like this. Okay, so now what I want, I have created also, as you can see, I have 7 employees in my list, my method. Now let's practice this predicate step by step. Okay, what is the first one? I want to display, I want to get all the employees that are managers. Okay, so to make this, what I will do, predicate with type employee p1 equal, I will give him attribute employee. Okay, so employee, simple arrow, employee dot what I want with job name, so dot job name dot equals manager. Here is my predicate. Okay, so I have created my predicate. After this, I will call the method print employees with this predicate p1 virgule I'm on my list. Okay, so let's see the result what we got in the computer, and I will come back to continue with another predicate. Let's go. So as you can see, here is my class employee, and I have created the main method, and I have prepared a different employee. Okay, so now I will make the first predicate, that is to get all the employees that are manager. So let's write it. Predicate. Here I give him employee type. Okay, and let's continue. P1 equal. So I'll give him employee, simple arrow, employee dot job name dot equals manager, which is manager. Okay, and I will print all the employees with print employees p1 and list. Let's see now what we got here.
You see, I have Abdeslam and Amin, only these two employees. Okay, so let's continue.
Now what I want to get all the employees that are living in Paris, okay, or that are working in Paris. So I create a second predicate employee P2 equal employee simple arrow employee.city dot equals Paris, okay, and after I display will make print employees with P2 and the list. So this same thing, you will go to show the result directly in the computer, and I will come back to continue for the next predicate. Let's go.
Now I will create my second predicate, is to get all the employees that are living or that are working in Paris. Okay, so let's do this. Predicate employee P2 equal employee simple arrow employee dot city dot equals Paris. Okay, so let's print this predicate. Which employees we got here and here P2. Okay, so what we got here? Tag. As you can see, I have Abdeslam. Why Abdeslam? Oops. Of course. Sorry, I will just come on this one because I got also the previous result. Sorry. So let's come back. So what I got here, I have Faisal, me, and also Reda. Okay, that are living or working in Paris, as you can see. These two. Let's continue with the third requirement.
Now my third requirement is to retrieve all the employees that has the salary less than 1,700 euro. For example, to add the bonus in the last day of the month. So for this I will create another predicate employee P3 equal employee simple arrow employee dot salary less than 1,700. Okay, and I will print employees with P3 with list. I will got all this employee. Let's check this what we got in the result, and we continue with another requirement. Let's go.
Now I want to get all the employees that have a salary less than 1,700 euro. So let's create this predicate. So just copy this one to not repeat all of them, and I will come on this one to not get the result again. Here P3 and here dot remove all this one employee dot salary less than 1,700 euro. Okay, and here I will call him with P3. Let's see. Normally I will got Asdin and Karim. So let's see. Do you see? Very good. As you can see, I have made the format here. I don't show before. I have only 2 digits after the point for the numbers, because here I have put .2f. So let's continue.
Now I have another requirement. I want to get all the employees that are managers. Okay? And they are working in Paris. For example, to transfer them to London, for example. There is no project now. All projects are finished in Paris. So let's move to London. These employees. Here what I mean. I have created first predicate to get all managers. And also I have created another predicate to get all the employees that are working in Paris. So here we make a join between predicate. Okay, it's so simple like this. I can create a new predicate to make join, or I can make directly print employees. What I put here, P1 dot end between parentheses P2 list. Okay, so it's so simple because P1 retrieve all the employees that are managers, and P2 can retrieve all the employees that are working in Paris. So I make and between them to get all these employees. You understand? I hope that you have understood this. It's very simple. So let's check this, what we got when we execute this predicate, and we will continue with the last one before to close this example and to pass to the next topic, inshallah. So let's go.
Now I want to get all the managers that are working in Paris. So put here comment get all managers or employees that are manager and working in Paris. So I create P4 predicate, but here I don't create, I just make print employees with my two previous predicate. Remember, I have explained you what I want. So I want employees that are manager. I have this predicate, this one. Okay, this one. And also I have employees that are working in Paris, this one. So what I will do here, P1 dot end P2, just like this. Let's see the result. I have end, so what I have, sorry, I just removed this one. I always forgot to remove the previews to get the good, only the latest result. Let's see, here I don't have. Why? Let's see. So who is the managers? I just put this one, okay, and let's see this one, and let's see which employees we got. I just added print syst out print, okay, slash m. Let's see. So what I have for the first predicate, for the first result, I have Abdeslam and Amin. Okay, and the second one I have Faisal and Reda. As you can see, I don't have common employees between them, so I don't get the result here. It's why I have got an empty list. Okay,
no, my last requirement is I want to get all employees that are not managers. Okay, so very well, that are not managers, or the salary is less than 1,700 euro. Okay, I repeat. I want to get all the employees that are not managers. Okay, this is very well what I want. This is the first part of my requirement, and second part, or the employees that are with the salary is less than 1,700 euro. Here we have the first part. We have the first predicate that retrieve all the salaries that are managers. What I want? I want employees that are not managers. Okay? So what is here the predicate? It is the negate. I want to make the negation about this. Okay? So I just put somewhere P1 dot negate to get all the employees that are not manager. It's so simple like this. Okay? And what I want also, I want to get all employees with a salary that is less than 1,700 euro. I also have this predicate that is P3. So what I will do, what I will make, I will make print employees with which predicate? P1 dot negate dot or between parentheses P3, and I will give the list. Do you understand? We have P1, I repeat. P1 is the predicate that gives us all the employees that are managers. Me, I don't want the employees that are managers. I want all the employees that are not managers. Okay? This is negation. So, I will make negate. P1 dot negate. I also want all the salaries that are the salary employees. Sorry, employees. I confuse between the salaries and employees. All the employees with a salary less than 1,700 euro. This one or this one. Okay? So what I will put or P3. And I got all the employees. Let's check this predicate also, this requirement, to finish with this example. And when I finish, I will pass to another topic. Let's go.
Now, the latest requirement. I want to get all employees that are not managers. Manager or uppercase or salary less than 1,700 euro. Okay, so here what I got. So this one I will remove it. Well, I can address it, but it don't give me anything. So what I want, this one also I don't need it. And we see for this one. Here I want to get all the employees that are not managers. So I have this one. I have this predicate that retrieve me all the employees that are managers. So what I will do, I will just put like this, the first part, as I have explained before. Here, P1 dot negate. Okay, he retrieve me all the employees that are not managers. So simple. Or I have also or employees with a salary less than 1,700 euros. So I will add it. Or with which predicate? With P3. Okay, we have it. So let's see what we got here. Tag. As you can see, here is all the results. Let's check them. Let's check with the job name. As you can see, developer, network, designer, architect, developer. No one is manager. Okay, so good. Or let's see the salary. So the first one is not included because, and we have it in the result because it is developer. So it is about P1.negate. So we have this result. But the salary isn't less, no problem. The second one, also we have the salary less than 1,700, and also it is not the manager. So two conditions are good. The third, also two conditions, we have them. For Reda, it is not manager, but the salary is more than 1,700, no problem, but it is not manager. So we have or. Take the first part and the second part of our condition. And the last one is Hussein. As you can see, he is not manager, but the salary doesn't respect the second condition, but no problem, because the or we take if one of them is true. Okay, so we have all this result. So here is all the different manipulation with predicate, with employee class. I will see you for the next video to talk about another topic. I hope that you have understand this notion of predicate. If it is the case, like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel. I will tell you goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.